Okay, for the first user, you need to sign in this app and then create the project by clicking new project. And I have the first project, which is Arsika. So you need to set the setting, which is in this app we have our token, which by using the token we will use in the coding, but I will explain again in the coding part. And then for the button, for the Asika, we use button features. So the user need to choose the button, and then for the forward button, I use V2 as the pin, and then the mode is push, and for the backward button I use V2 V1 and mode is push. For the right we use V4 and mode is push, and also for the left we use V3 to choose the ritual. Just need to scroll this, select pin. For the coding part, first of all we need to configure the ESP 8266, which is we need to put first the preference. So I have get ready a link for the user, so you just need to copy and then paste in here and then click OK. After that you need to choose the bot manager. I'll wait for a minute because it was downloading the platform index. Okay, and then type ESP. So you need to install this library for the bot manager. Just click install because I have installed this version. After that, the second library is Blynk, where if you want to use the Blynk, you need this library, where you need to click this manage libraries. You need to wait. Okay, type Blynk to get the Blynk library. Okay, click install and then close. Okay, for the token, we can get the token from the Blynk app, which is I have explained from the previous video. And then for the SSID, I use hotspot SSID and the password. If you use router, you need to know the SSID and the password of the router. Then this is for forward coding, and then this is the backward coding, V3 for the left coding, V4 is the coding for the moving right, and this is initial coding, and this is the looping, where the code will will always run the Blynk app. If you got the problem which is the port cannot be found, so you need to download this driver, but I have provide in this tutorial, which is you just need to extract the file and then go inside and just click on this software and just next until you finish. That's all, and then the port will be detected.